Hello and welcome back to Shraddha's Home Cooked. For more unique recipes, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon. So today I'm back with a unique and instant recipe which you can have as a dessert or as your breakfast as well. We are making chocolate pancakes today and the ingredients are as follows. I have here 1 cup of maida, half cup of milk, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, butter, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. I have some chocolate and honey as well to drizzle on the pancakes. So let's begin the recipe. So सबसे पहले हम लेंगे एक मिक्सिंग बोल, उसमें हम डालेंगे 1 कप ऑफ मैदा. उसके बाद हम डालेंगे 1/3 कप ऑफ पाउडर्ड शुगर. पहले हम सारे ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाल रहे हैं इसमें. उसके बाद आई विल बी एडिंग मिल्क. सो पहले हम सारे अभी जो ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स है जैसे कि कोको पाउडर है 1 टेबल स्पून, बेकिंग पाउडर 1 टीस्पून, and baking soda, just a pinch. Then I'm adding in the wet ingredients, 2 tablespoons of melted butter and half a cup of milk. इसे हम अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे. बैटर को हमें इस तरह से अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेना है. आई फील द बैटर इज अ बिट थिक हियर, सो आई एम एडिंग लिटिल मोर मिल्क सो दैट ये एक पोरिंग कंसिस्टेंसी में आ जाए. आई मिक्स इट अगेन. इस तरह से स्मूथ बैटर बनना चाहिए. अगर आपके पास कोको पाउडर अवेलेबल नहीं है तो आप प्लेन पैनकेक्स भी बना सकते हैं. कोको पाउडर इज टोटली ऑप्शनल. यू कैन स्किप द कोको पाउडर का पार्ट and go for plain pancakes as well. It depends totally on your choice. I like chocolate, so I'm making chocolate pancakes. Also kids like chocolate a lot. देखिए इस तरह से अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे हम इसे. See, you can see इस तरह से pouring consistency, not very thin and not very thick also. Perfect consistency. So yeah, let's make the pancakes now. I've added some butter into my pan. Now I'll drop the pancake batter into it. Just like this. Wow, look at the color already. Just like how you make a dosa, the same way. Wow, look at that. It is already smelling so amazing. The aroma is like spreading everywhere. As you can see, इस तरह से जब बबल्स आने शुरू हो जाए पूरे पैनकेक के ऊपर हम इसे फ्लिप कर देंगे. See how beautifully it's bubbling up. I'll flip it now. Wow, see, so nice. The color looks so amazing. मैं आपको इस व्यू से भी दिखा रही हूँ. See how it's turning fluffy and crisp on the sides. ये और fluffy होते जा रहा है, which is a good sign. A pancake should always be nice, thick and fluffy. I'll do the plating now. Before that, I'll just grease it with some butter, and that's it. We're ready to go. इसके साथ ही मैंने थोड़े से मिनी पैनकेक्स भी बना रखे हैं. सो आई विल प्लेट देम टुगेदर. Do let me know in the comment section how you find this recipe and do try it for your breakfast or as a dessert as you wish. And there you go. मेरे chocolate pancakes बनके ready है. See how nice and yummy they look already. So fluffy and so crispy on the edges. I have also made some mini pancakes like you can see here. I'll start plating them now. I've cut the bananas into little pieces like this. Fruits and pancakes go hand in hand. It's a lovely combination. अगर आपके पास कोई और फ्रूट्स है तो you can add that as well. I had only bananas today with me, so I am adding in the bananas. And now comes the time for some amazing drizzling here. So first we go in with some chocolate drizzling. I have some chocolate sauce here which I am adding in. Then goes the honey. अगर आपके पास maple syrup है, you can add that as well. Wow, look at that. They already look so tempting and delicious, no? I have some chocolate chips to make this a little more chocolatey, so I'm adding in them. Wow, that's so amazing. And there you go, our chocolate pancakes are absolutely ready. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. For the ones who are new to my channel, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notifications each time I post a new video. Goodbye, take care.